Welcome to the tutorial which will show you how to use Google's new add-on feature to easily import student data. You will need to have your data in a Google spreadsheet. This can be done by manually typing it in, copying it from another CSV file. Another good option is using the Google Forms to create a form that you can post online and students can enter their data as a homework assignment or in your class, and then you have all the data in columns in a spreadsheet. Regardless, here I have 4 students. And the data I have is the first name, the last name, an ID number, and an email. So what you need to do is highlight all the data you would like to import. There you go, I have my data highlighted. And then, as long as you have the Teacher Aide app installed, you're going to long press on the highlighted data, and you get the normal cut copy menu coming up. If you tap on the 3 vertical dots for the overflow menu, you'll see Import to Teacher Aide Pro, and for the latest version, which is version 3, there's that option there. Simply tap that button. The app window will open for the import screen. You can see that the data we highlighted has been transferred to the app. And the next step is to identify each column. This will also show you what type of data you can import. So everything in these columns is data that can be imported. I'm going to tap on first name, last name, ID, and lastly email. If you have any extra data that the app doesn't import, you can just tap on ignore, and once every column has been assigned, you're going to tap on the import student data above the table, and here you have a couple options. You can import the data just to the master list, which means the students are added to the app but are not assigned to any classes yet. Or you can also tap on a class if you know they want to go into a certain class. I am going to select class 2. And lastly, now you can choose to go back to the sheet or view the class. I'm going to choose view the class. And now that takes me to the app, and you can see class 2, and there are the students all added. Again, you can go to the manage students screen, and you can see that in the class 2 roster, you have those 4 students that we just added right there. So a very easy way to add students to a class. Just have a different file ready for each class, and you can go ahead and import students. If the students are already on the master list and you import them again, they will just be added to a class. They won't be repeated on the master list. So nice way for you to get the data imported into the app.